Good afternoon, fellow traders. Black Coffee Trader coming to you on Monday, January the 22nd. And another start to the week, and we had another green day. Nothing major, not a great day, but we had a green day. Green on the PAs and green on the evals. A little disappointed with myself with the afternoon. I traded a little bit this afternoon, maybe a little bit more than I normally would. And I gave back some profits. At one point today, I had every account green except for, I think, this 165 eval. Got it back into green, then gave some money back. So kind of a back and forth day on the eval accounts. Also gave back on this pesky PA09. This account, I go from 49,000 to 50,500. That seems to be where it goes. My opening trade this morning, I was a winner. I did scale down to this setup here where I've got a 21 tick target and a 41 tick target, only going in with two contracts with $15 or 15 tick stop losses. So I'm risking 150 bucks. And the reason I went to that for like the opening hour, half hour, whatever. Sometimes I'll just go one contract, but typically my first trade, it usually was a 3 contract. But now that I took a payout with this PA10, my drawdown is at 50,100. So I wanted to take it a little bit slower and not risk as much and kind of slowly build this back up. And I've had 2 green days on that account, making 210 today. Obviously copy trading these two together since they're so close to the same. 50,953, 950. My goal is to have both of these at 52,600 or greater, whatever we get to, by the February payout cycle. So that's my goal, which basically for this account here, I need to trade at least, I can miss one day in order to have it eligible on the 1st. So the payout would be the 1st, the 2nd, and then we also could trade it on the 5th. So we've got 3 trading days during the next payout request cycle with Apex. So the goal is to get this thing back up and also this account. Now, if I can get this one up to 52,600, more quickly, then I'll do that. But I'm probably going to, for the most part, just trade them together. This account I've been trading for 20 some days. Actually, let me look here. PA accounts. This PA7, I've been trading for 24 days, and I'm on day 15 with PA10 where I took a payout. So you can see, had a good start to the week. Nothing great, not a big profit day, but it is what it is. Eval is kind of the same thing. I got this one take profit. I can't seem to get into profitability for some stupid reason. Everything else is above 50,000, and we've got several of these evals that are in the 52 range. I really need to get focused and get those passed so that I have more PAs. So I may need to, like today I had a winning opening trade. My first trade was a winner, $149 in profit, and then I scalped later in the day to get these 2 accounts up a little bit higher. Traded this account separately, and obviously, as you can see, was a loss. But I really need to just, if my opening trade or the first 1 or 2 trades are winners, then I need to move towards these evals and really start focusing on getting these into profit. I really need to do that. I did have these up, like, I think they were at 300 at one point today, but then I gave some back. And yeah, today was one of those days where I feel like if it could have been really easily could have been a losing day. Just the way the market, we really were kind of in a chop almost all afternoon. Not necessarily a chop, but this was just kind of a rangy day. We didn't have, any big major moves other than the open. We had a big move up, pull back, and then move back up again. And then we had another fairly big pullback, into the 11 o'clock hour. And then we just kind of, had this almost a bit of a chop session for the afternoon. So there were definitely opportunities there, but it was one of those days where I felt like, honestly, I probably traded today quite well. Just not quite my type of day, but to end in green, I'll take that as a win. So, and again, I'm most happy with just having a nice $200 profit on this PA7 and 10, because that's the next goal, is to get these two to a payout. And again, continue moving on towards funding some of these evals. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it for the day. I don't really know that there's a lot to add. It wasn't like I had any major trades that were a big, oh, I should have done this, should have done that. I did scale into or try to scale out of a couple trades today that actually worked, that I was able to scale out of and managed to save a little bit of profit. So that was really good. But yeah, overall, pretty good day and pretty happy with it. So as far as discounts and stuff on some of the accounts that we have going on right now, Apex is back to their 71% off evaluation sale. They've got that going on. Take Profit has their 40% discount, and so with either of these, using my code BVLSTBTS on Apex, going to always get you the best deal. Likewise on Take Profit Trader, using code BCT always gets you the best deal there. So thank you very much for those of you using my code. I certainly do appreciate that. It does help the channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment. I'm just here trading, and I'm just taking you along for the ride, and it allows myself to record my day and kind of make me go back and rethink and redo my day. And, was it good? Was it bad? Did I learn something? Did I not? X, Y, Z, etc. So that's what we're all about. But thanks for tuning in. Hope you had a great day. Trade well tomorrow, and we'll catch up with you on the flip side.